crypto warriors, changing our world day by day. The way of the crypto warriors, can't rely on the bankers, no way.
Hey guys, Bix Weir, roadrunner.com. The crazy week has started. We saw the flash crash in silver. The flash pop and then the flash crash in silver this morning. Now we got Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world, down for temporary maintenance. They say they're back up again, but you can't withdraw your coins yet. Okay, Binance, we know what you do every time. Every time that it gets busy in the cryptoverse, these exchanges go down for maintenance. They want cheap prices. They need to cover what some of their customers have already ordered and they didn't have them. We know what they're doing. That's why I am adamant. Do not keep your cryptos on any exchanges. Yes, we have to go in to buy them. You go in, you buy, and you get out as fast as you can. Well, right now you can't get out on Binance because a lot of the coins, most of the coins, you can't withdraw. Now that might change, and they say it's going to change because I was reading their statement here. It says, fellow Binanceans, Binance has completed a temporary system maintenance. Call it what it is. Don't call it a maintenance. And we will resume all trading activity at 6 p.m. UTC time. From now until the commencement of trading, users will be able to cancel orders. Oh yeah, I bet. Make deposits, trade on P2P, trade on the OTC portal, subscribe or redeem funds from savings, deposit or redeem funds from, as well as the liquid swap, make asset transfers from basically you can do everything except withdraw. And then it says withdrawals will be resumed shortly after trading starts. They don't want you to pull your coins off. It is recommended that futures and margins traders, here it is. It is recommended that futures and margin trading users, so derivatives of the derivatives, will open positions, reassess their collateral balances prior to starting of trading to mitigate against price fluctuations that just may occur. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this has caused. Basically, they got in trouble. Binance. Anyway, what does that mean for Theta? Nothing. Nothing really. You should have your Theta off the exchanges. Off the exchanges, my friends. Off the exchanges. I can't scream it loud enough. Off the exchanges. Theta's doing well. Cryptos are pretty weak today. Down 3, XRP down 8%. XRP lovers. I think today is the XRP free money drop that they're doing. So all the big guys have already gotten out, basically, and the little guys are going to be scrambling to get out over the next couple days. Have fun with that. All right, Litecoin still up over $100, not bad, down 10%, but still up almost 30% for the entire week. Silver price has stabilized after they nailed the price down below $25, by the way. So it was up almost 28 and down to 25 in a blink of an eye. The CFTC knows nothing. They are the Keystone Cops of the commodities world. They are pathetic. Basically, we already know that. Really exciting news right here. I have posted the third of the 3-part series of the Jenny Moonstone readings. This one's entitled Cowboys, Indians, and the All-Seeing Eye. Great discussions. More about my adventures in the Southwest this time, and those of you interested in who Kincaid's Cave ended up with. Those of you who know about the Kincaid's Cave in the Grand Canyon, was announced in the Arizona Gazette, early 1900s. They found a cave with mummies and Egyptian artifacts and gold all throughout the cave. We're still exploring. Really interesting reading on that, as well as Unstoppable, Spiritual Silver, Secret Gold, and Theta or Theta Fuel. All you Theta lovers will love that one. So all 3 are up there. The first one was, will the good guys win? We're coming down to the nitty gritty, and I am in the same camp as Jenny. Everything is going to be different. Biden isn't going to get in. Not going to happen. So we're all waiting for the final shoe to drop, but check those out. That's on the private road at roadrunner.com. And then, of course, on the private road, we also have the Theta page, which helps you to buy, store, and stake theta. You have to have a little computer knowledge. I mean, you need something, a little crypto knowledge, not a lot, but a little. I haven't had somebody say, I can't do it. That's it. I can't do it. I quit. I do not offer personal consulting on this stuff, but the Theta page has step-by-step instructions. The best way to learn cryptos is to go to YouTube. Believe it or not, it's where we all learned. The YouTube search function, you can find any answer to every question as it relates to cryptos. It is the Crypto University. Go to YouTube search function and ask anything. Ask anything. Make sure you read 3 or listen to 3 or 4 of the videos to make sure you get the right answer. But yeah, you can find all answers on the YouTube search function. And you're going to need to use your head. Cryptos is not an easy thing to understand at the beginning. After a while, it's obvious. But in the beginning, it's a little difficult. So just keep at it. We're all students of the new world and how it will unfold. So if you got your hands into cryptos, you're way ahead of 99% of the population. That's all I got. This is Bix. I'll talk to you later.
Well, you start with Bitcoin and you know nothing. You make your first wallet and you think you got something. Secure your private keys, you don't. All your coins will be gone. Now you're a coiner and it's time to learn on. From banking tech to social net, the cryptos are hard. But you gotta get your feet wet, gotta get your mind set for change. And it's the way of the crypto warriors, changing our world day by day. The way of the crypto warriors, can't rely on the bankers, no way. The way of the crypto warriors, after all the crazy politics fade away, you got something to say. Live a crypto warrior way. There's Kenny Bozak, he'll show up in your town. He'll be out in his pocket, always dressed like a clown. But he pulls out his phone, always pays for what he owes in crypto. Big old John Kim erases all Charlie's doom. Satoshi light his feeling right with John in chat rooms. And he takes care of Litecoin. We know it's the right one for change. It's the way of the crypto warriors, changing our world day by day. The way of the crypto warriors, can't rely on the bankers, no way. The way of the crypto warriors, after all the crazy politics fade away, you got something to say. Live a crypto warrior way. Well, let me tell you about my friend. His name is Bitcoin Ben, a truck driving man. Everybody loves him, and he's spreading the word. He shares what he heard, secret plan. And there's Snippy by Joe, and it's the J-Snip Show. From psychic best to treasure chest, who goes on the know. He teaches us tech, cause he's seen a few wrecks, so go slow. It's the way of the crypto warriors, changing our world day by day. The way of the crypto warriors, can't rely on the bankers, no way. The way of the crypto warriors, after all the crazy politics fade away, you got something to say. Live a crypto warrior way. Cause everybody wants to be a hero, everybody has dreams of a better day. But if everybody knew we could change everything that we do, then everybody live a crypto warrior way. And everybody live a crypto warrior way. And you can live a crypto warrior way.
Yeah! That was great.